really big question. What state is UK retail in right now? Where do you see consumer confidence going?
It's not in the worst place that it's been, if I'm being honest. So Christmas performance was generally better than anticipated, despite Omicron, despite people sort of voluntarily sort of going out less to stores because of the rising case numbers and the uncertainty around how bad Omicron would be. Overall sales are actually positive for the month. In terms of consumer confidence, it declined a little bit in the last quarter of the year, but it's actually, if you look at January, which I think was -19, it was -28 that time a year ago. So we've seen a sort of slow recovery. The successful vaccine rollout, the booster program, the fact that Omicron seems to be less sort of virulent than perhaps previous strains and less deadly, have all been a sort of positive contributor to retail.
Could you repeat what that larger company said? What's dead?
The question was around omnichannel, and she said, well, at I think it was Made, they said, well, we live in a post-channel world, and actually companies that think in terms of digital and offline are sort of already a step behind. So really, it should be, when you're thinking about these things, they should be holistic. The strategy should be singular, and both should complement each other in a seamless way.